Despite these efforts, revenue has not kept up with inflation. We have all personally experienced the effect of inflation. We know that $20 does not go as far as it did 20 years ago. This is even a bigger issue for cities because of Utah's tax structure. Property tax is designed for revenue neutrality, meaning that the revenue the city receives stay the same every year. For example, if Ogden generated $10 million in property taxes last year, the State Commission would use their models to adjust the rate to generate $10 million for this year. As values increase, the property tax proportionately decreases. So we aren't able to capture the additional revenue associated with inflation. Because property taxes are fixed and don't account for inflation, and because Ogden went without increases for more than 3 decades until last year, we are 3 decades behind in adjusting for inflation. We cannot praise our administration enough for the remarkable efforts to successfully operate without an increase for so long. However, it is just not sustainable. There are essential services that require funding that just isn't there. For example, in fiscal year 18 alone, there is a $400,000 shortfall in facilities costs. We're nearly $300,000 short in funding a fully staffed police force and thousands short in funding trails, parks, fire, and planning. These costs can be covered by maintaining the existing tax rate for FY18, which would generate an additional $808,000 in tax revenue, or 7% more revenue than if we accept the State Tax Commission's lower rate, as we have done for years.